Welcome to our exploration of how artificial intelligence is transforming patient care in the healthcare industry. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing healthcare by enhancing the accuracy of diagnoses, personalizing treatment, and streamlining administrative processes. Imagine a world where AI can analyze medical images with precision, detecting conditions like cancers and fractures at earlier stages than ever before. AI algorithms trained on thousands of images can assist radiologists in identifying anomalies, leading to quicker and more accurate diagnoses. But AI doesn't stop at diagnosis. It also plays a crucial role in personalized medicine. By analyzing a patient's genetic makeup and lifestyle, AI can recommend tailored treatment plans, improving outcomes. This means fewer trial-and-error prescriptions and more effective treatments that consider each patient's unique needs. AI-powered virtual assistants are transforming the patient experience. They can provide 24/7 support, answering questions, scheduling appointments, and even reminding patients to take their medications. This not only enhances patient engagement, but also reduces the workload on healthcare staff. AI is also a game-changer in data analysis. With vast amounts of health data available, AI can identify trends and insights that humans might miss, helping healthcare providers make informed decisions. From predicting outbreaks to optimizing resource allocation, AI helps healthcare systems operate more efficiently. However, the integration of AI in healthcare raises important ethical questions. Privacy concerns, data security, and the need for transparency in AI decision-making are crucial topics that must be addressed. Ensuring that AI serves to enhance human judgment rather than replace it is vital for the future of healthcare. The future of AI in healthcare is bright. By collaborating with healthcare professionals, researchers, and policymakers, we can create a system that leverages AI while ensuring quality care and patient safety. As we continue to innovate and adapt, AI will play an essential role in transforming patient care for the better. Together, we can harness technology to improve health outcomes for everyone. Thank you for joining us in this journey. Stay tuned for more insights on the future of healthcare.